troubleshoot slow down because of high disk usage? In the Processes tab, click on Disk Sorts Processes by how much they are reading or writing to your PC's storage device. The one at the top is the one that uses the disk the most. Disk usage percentage show how much of the drive's capacity is currently being used. During idle times, disk usages are less than 10%, and this is considered normal. During intense activity, it may go to 70% or even higher till that task is completed. Here are the common causes of high disk usage: Windows Update or background services, antivirus scan, cloud sync apps like OneDrive and Dropbox, browser cache or downloads, malware or hidden apps, or even failing hard disk devices. How to identify and fix these problems? If disk usage is 100% while CPU and memory usage are low, drive is bottleneck. In this case, we first check drivers. To do that, click on Run New Task here. Write CMD. Check this box to open it as admin. When C prompt opens, write check disk and hit enter. Let it complete. It says in my PC there are some problems and recommended to run another task here. Do as recommended and let it complete. We have now got confirmation there are no more problems, no more actions needed. That's great. Disk bottleneck can also be fixed by disabling unnecessary startup apps, pausing heavy background services like OneDrive and Dropbox, updating outdated drivers, scanning for malwares, running disk cleanup to clear temporary files and caches that may be constantly accessed, or if you are on hard disk device, upgrade it to SSD, or if your drive is failing, change it.